Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Constantly Quarantined. Today, as we can see, we have a box, but it is not my normal unboxing today. I will be actually unboxing a brand new cymbal, and then reviewing it and trying things out with it on the drum set. If you don't know, I do drum. It's one of my biggest hobbies except for battle song flipping, and so let's hop on right into it. Okay, so I got this off of eBay, and I've actually never bought anything off of eBay before, so we will see if it's actually good. I really hope it is, because I spent a lot of money on this cymbal. So, if you don't know, cymbals and any type of drum thing is extremely expensive. Except for, of course, the sticks. But cymbals, hardware, and drums themselves are very, very expensive. Like, really expensive.
2,000 years later.
Like, really expensive. And sometimes that can be annoying. I bought this one for about $90, which is actually really good for a cymbal. So I'm pretty happy with it. Oh man, this is hard to open. Golly. There we go. Oh man, that was really painful. Okay, as you can see, it's just wrapped in brown paper and then a little glimmer on it. We are. So this is a Avades Zildgian medium crash. It's supposed to be brilliant, which means the sound of it is a bit different. I got this used off of eBay, and I'm actually really happy with the condition. No visible cracks right now. It, of course, has the Zildgian sign on the back and on the front, and then it is 16 inches. Or 40 centimeters for those Brits who are, or basically anybody else except for Americans. So I'm really happy with it. Let's hit the kit and see if it's any good. So yes, that is all today. I do have to say I am very sorry for the inactivity. I'm actually been pretty busy. I'm starting a football team, and it's been a lot. Also, we haven't had that much content to boast. So sorry about that. We did hit 50 subscribers, which is mind-blowing to me because I thought this would just be like a 2-week thing, but we've kept up with it, which I'm happy about, and do be expecting an ice bath challenge sometime soon, and yeah, I will catch you on the flip side. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.